Number 22, Surah Al-Hajj, the pilgrimage. 103rd, according to the order of revelation. Some authorities considered this is a Makki Surah, but accordingly to the majority it is a Madani. This surah has 78 verses in 10 sections. The surah reminds about the approaching end of the world, need for the firmness of faith to support the truth and to eradicate the evil. It talks about prayers, humbleness and sacrifice, respect of the Kaaba, the house of Allah, and striving to defend the truth. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. The shaking of the last hour. Arguments for the resurrection from the stages of human creation and from the rain that produces vegetation. Number 2. The marginal believers and their end. Number 3. The true believers shall be rewarded. Number 4. Pilgrimage to the house of Allah. Number 5. Respect of the symbols of Allah. Number 6. The permission of fighting back is granted to those to whom wrong is done. Number 7. Satan's enticements and Allah's special protection of His words. Number 8. The reward of those who migrate in the cause of Allah. Number 9. Allah's order prevail in the heaven and earth. Number 10. The Muslim community is chosen by Allah for a special purpose.